Hey everybody, Ace here. A side hustle or side gig is something that you do in addition to your main job to generate some additional income. Speaking personally, I've had a few different side gigs throughout my life, whether that has been working at a grocery store or reselling items on Facebook Marketplace. I always try to utilize my free time to generate some additional cash. Now I'm going to preface this video by saying the majority of these side hustles that I'm going to list, you need to at least be 18 years of age to apply for them. Then you're going to need to fill out an application or apply for these different jobs before you can start working them. Now, let's go over the 5 unique side hustles for 2021 that you could do to generate $1,000 a month. Starting off with the first, handwriting. This could be cards, letters, envelopes, you name it. If you have fancy or decent handwriting and not chicken scratch like I have, you can sign up to do this. This side hustle is on Upwork, and what you'll have to do is apply to be a freelancer and fill out an application. I have seen rates anywhere from $10 to $60 an hour to handwrite letters, envelopes, postcards, you name it. So if you like writing things, this side hustle is right up your alley. Second is for someone who likes to read. If you like to read books and have a soothing voice to listen to, you can read books and make them into audiobooks through ACX. ACX connects professionals to create audiobooks. Book writers will post their books and look for someone to read it and make it into an audiobook. You can create a profile and have people search to find you to record for their audiobooks, or you can audition to be the audiobook reader for specific books. I have seen rates anywhere from $15 an hour up to $60 an hour to be an audiobook reader. Obviously, when you're doing this side hustle, you're gonna have to generate a clientele to charge more. So starting up front, you'll probably have to have a lower rate than a higher rate. But the more you do it, the higher you can charge. Third is for someone who loves to play video games. And let me tell you, I love to play video games. So this one I am passionate about. I grew up playing video games. The first console I got was an N64, and I remember playing my dad a lot in Mario Kart, trying to beat him. And nowadays, I just play PC games, probably more than I even should, but I absolutely love to do it. But if you're a fan of playing video games, just like I am, whether that be mobile or PC, you can sign up to be a video game tester through Playtest Cloud. All you have to do is go to playtestcloud.com, and in the top right-hand corner, you're gonna see Apply to be a tester. You're gonna click on that button, and when you do, you're gonna fill out the application. You will get a confirmation email sent to you, and then when you get that, you're gonna have to take a qualification test. Once you pass that qualification test, you'll then start getting jobs where you'll have to play the video game and fill out surveys. You'll make anywhere from $9 to $36 an hour. So go ahead and tell your parents that you can make money playing video games, even if you're not a pro or streamer. Fourth is for anyone who likes to listen to things and is fast at typing. You can transcribe audio, and what that means is you're listening to words that are being said while you're typing them out. You can do this on Scribby, and you can make anywhere from $10 to $20 an hour. The rates are paid out for how fast you can type per minute, so the faster the typer you are, the more you're gonna make per hour. All you have to do is apply to be a transcriber on Scribby, follow the instructions they have listed out, and when you're accepted, get to work. And the last unique side hustle is completing tasks on TaskRabbit. If you don't have any unique skills or enjoyed any of the previous side hustles I listed before, this might be a good option for you. TaskRabbit is a site where people look for help on specific jobs. That could be moving furniture, house repairs, mowing the lawn, snow removal, you name it. Now this is going to be geared to people who are living in or around higher population cities. When you go to the website, in the top right hand corner, it's going to say apply to be a tasker. Then you're going to choose out your area and fill out your profile. Once that is complete, people are going to reach out to you when they have tasks they want help on. You can charge whatever you want per hour for the task. I have seen anywhere from $8 an hour up to $75 an hour, depending on the task and the location. Now remember, the lower the dollar an hour you put, the more likely you will be chosen to do the job or task. And the more tasks that you complete, the higher rated and more you will be pushed for other tasks. And that's it. 5 easy, unique side hustles that you can do in 2021 to make $1,000 a month or more. It really just depends on how much work you want to put into your side hustle and how much money you want to generate. Now, go out there and make that sweet, sweet money. If you liked this video or learned anything, please just tap that thumbs up button for me. That'd greatly help me out. Subscribe for more content and leave me a comment down below on what side hustles or gigs you're going to be doing in 2021. And until then, I'll see you in the next video.